we always thought about what can we do for the state of California or for the country, for the United States.
We come here to figure out how to solve some of the world's toughest issues.
The mission of the Institute is to advance post-partisanship, where leaders put people over political parties and political ideology.
Bonnie is really a force of nature. She was able to channel her energy, and when she came here, she channeled that energy into the development and growth of the Schwarzenegger Institute. She was also so full of life, and her passion and enthusiasm was contagious. She directed her work, passion, and intelligence into the fight for children, to improve education, to improve the quality of our environment, and to fix our broken political system.
I have since come to accept that Bonnie was truly irreplaceable. There was never anyone like her, and there never will be anyone like her. Her positive energy, her warm smile, it just filled the room. Under her guidance and under her skillful knowledge, and of course, thanks to Governor Schwarzenegger's enormous, incredible support, our Encore Teacher program became a reality. But I really owe it all to Bonnie. She was incorruptible. She cared passionately about the students, and she cared about all of the issues. And she always simply wanted to do the right thing. Bonnie had a unique ability to listen to both sides. No matter what your political persuasion, no matter where you were coming from, Bonnie respected you and she listened. That's what she was all about. Bringing us all together for a civil dialogue, and in doing so, trying to make the world a better place. Bonnie, I know you are smiling down on us. You have made all of us better people, and we will try to honor your legacy by carrying on your work. But we will also miss you every day for the rest of our lives.
In 1980, they came out here, Maria and Bonnie Reiss, to run Teddy Kennedy's campaign. Everything that I have done since then, Bonnie was a big part of it, and I couldn't have done without her. And then, of course, when I ran for governor, she was the first one to help me with the campaign, with the help of Maria and Bonnie, and the Democrats like that believed in me. We won. And she knew everything. Someone said, how does she know all this stuff? But she just knew everything. And so she convinced me to then start after-school programs every day, Monday through Friday, throughout the whole year. Every single thing that I had to do with the Democrats, she was helpful there in providing this and kind of creating the kind of connection. We talked about it earlier when people said, it's too bad that Bonnie is gone. But I want to remind you all that Bonnie is not gone. We just don't see Bonnie. But Bonnie is here with us. Bonnie will be part of us every single day the rest of our life. She's not gone. So let's all remember Bonnie as this great force that she was.